Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to learn how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. So if you're wondering how to do so, you may just head over and follow up these steps for that so that you can read your deleted WhatsApp messages. For that, all you gotta do is you need to install WhatsApp application for that and restore from a backup. So hold WhatsApp for that, and once you do so, you can look out for the install option and confirm it up. And once you confirm installing this application, that will install the application WhatsApp from your device, and you can reinstall WhatsApp from Google Play Store. So head over to Play Store for that, and from there go over the search button below, and you can search for WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp, you can just go over and install the WhatsApp Messenger application again on your device, and open up the application and verify your phone number. So here in this section like this in your login page, you can type in your phone number and tap on next. And when prompted, you just need to tap on restore to restore your chat history from the backup, which should be available like this. So you can tap on restore to restore your chat history from the backup and do so. So this is one of the method available, and another one is you can use your notification history. This method may work for deleted messages if you have the notification history feature enabled on your Android device. To check it out, you can go to your phone settings, open it up, and from there go to notifications. So go over and find the option for notifications, and from there you can go over and look out for the option for advanced settings, and go over and tap on notification history, and you can scroll through the messages to find the history of the message, and that will only show you the content that appeared in the notification itself but may not show the entire conversation. And that's it. So if you're trying to retrieve the messages that were deleted after your last backup was created, you cannot do it. There are third-party applications that claims to read deleted messages, but it is recommended to use the built-in backup and notification features for security and reliability. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.